so humanity has trashed Earth. Climate change, pollution, people launching themselves into space instead of fixing the mess. So what's the plan? Pack our bags and move to Mars, of course. Yep, we're actually talking about turning this cold, airless, radiation-filled wasteland into our new home. Genius, right? But before you start daydreaming about your cute little Martian apartment, let's talk about the real challenges. Spoiler alert, living on Mars is going to be way harder than your last camping trip. How do we even get to Mars? Right now, the best option is to hop on a 6-month, one-way rocket ride. No Wi-Fi, by the way. There is you, a handful of other lucky space travelers, and the constant fear of being cooked by cosmic radiation. And let's not forget landing. Mars has just enough atmosphere to mess with you, but not enough to help you. So, landing safely is like throwing a dart blindfolded on a moving roller coaster during an earthquake. Let's say you somehow survive the trip. Congrats! Now you just have to figure out how to breathe because Mars doesn't do oxygen. Instead, its atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide, which, fun fact, is great for plants but terrible for keeping humans alive. So what's the plan? We would either need big expensive oxygen factories or wear spacesuits 24/7, meaning no one is taking a casual afternoon jog outside without suffocating. Okay, can't breathe, but don't worry, Mars has other ways to kill you too. Temperatures freezing. You would be rock hard like ice, I mean. Radiation? Insanely high. You'd age like an avocado. I'm sure you can't attract girls looking like that in your 20s. Dust storms. I personally can't stand it when sand gets in my shoes. To think that there is sand everywhere on Mars, it's a nightmare for me. Basically, if Mars had a review app, it would be 1 star. Feeling hungry? Well, too bad. Mars doesn't have restaurants, grocery stores, or even soil that can grow normal crops. If you want to eat, you're stuck with freeze-dried space food, lab-grown meat, assuming we figure that out, and water? Yeah, there is frozen water on Mars, but you'd have to mine it, purify it, and it's not endless. Humanity would last there just a couple decades. At this point, Mars sounds terrible. So why even bother? Well, because we're stubborn. Humans love a challenge. If we can turn this dead rock into a livable place, it would mean huge advances in science, technology, and our ability to survive in space. Plus, Earth won't be around forever. Climate change, asteroid strikes, whatever Elon Musk is planning next. Eventually, we'll need a backup planet. But here's the question. Would you move to Mars? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.